Today I am playing Among Us, and I'm just seeing like this. My name is Weak Bike for some reason. I like these headphones. You know, they're really cool. I'm just gonna change my skin. Oh, look. Okay, start the game. Hopefully I'm imposter, guys. Yeah, it does that sometimes. I'm on the new airship map. I'm just eating a cracker. Dang it, I'm crazy. Brig. Yeah, I kind of suck at this. What am I doing? Oh, and Nico showers. Raise better swallow me. Help me. And I'm in here. Whoa, there's a bed. Dang it! Wish I could sleep there. I'm not dirty. Yeah, kinda sus. Help me, help me. Bye. Okay, fixing the lights. So 3, 7, 2, 5. Roger. Whoa. Dang it. What? Dang it, Ken. You know, it would be funny if I banned Ken. Oh, no, that did. Hey, guys. I'm in Among Us. UKN. Oh, thank you, Chewy Stew. Thank you for appreciating. BB gun. Hello? Hello? Anybody there? Oh yeah, forgot. Damn imposter, guys. Damn, I'm done cornbread again. Guys, I'm hearing weird noises. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to end the video there.